Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Help the existing units, and then the result will be that we will have some more people coming in where we can accommodate people. आमगेले गोंयकारांक आमी accommodate करपाक. आमी सदां इश्यू घेवन बसले की आमगे गोंयकारांक आमी jobs दिवपा जाय म्हणून. So we will see how best we can, now since I am here, how best I can enforce and see that our people are accommodated. I will certainly give preference for the people of my constituency, and then we will have the others too. But it should not be that there is a taboo on me that I am looking only after my people, but we will see what maximum we can do to help everybody.
So there are few
Industries
duplication of plots केला ते एक दिला एकट्याक तो बायल्या बाहेर मागीर दुसऱ्याक दिला ते आयटीसी खबरूच ना की तो दुसऱ्याक दिला असे खूप केकान महाराष्ट्र
just for the subsidy
So you look forward in that I should ruffle some feathers. Don't worry, we'll do it.
आणि एक इश्यू झाला तुम्हाला रस्त्याचो कोणी इंडस्ट्री रस्त्याचो
Yes. There are some issues of roads which I want to take up today itself because rains are approaching. If we can do something and start up work something before the rains. I have been receiving phone calls from people that some estates have no proper roads. I hope and pray that I am able to achieve result. I look forward in achieving result. My target will be there. My target is to touch 100%. But I pray that I should, touch at least 80% of whatever I have, I am expected to do as a chairman of the IDC.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सायली मांद्रेकार वांगडा हांव शिरीष कुंकळकार.